वेलकम टू डेली मार्केट मंत्रा विद एसएमसी, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे टू हेल्प यू गेट एन एज इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The market is expected to open lower today, tracking weakness in global pairs. Shares in Asia fell after US tech companies dropped in late US trading, while the yen stabilized after a Wednesday slide that triggered fresh speculation officials will step in to support the currency. US stock market indexes closed with modest gains on Wednesday ahead of the release of an inflation report. Oil prices slid in early Asian trade on Thursday as a surprise build in US stockpiles fueled fears about slow demand from the top oil consumer, though worries a potential expansion of the Gaza war may disrupt Middle East supplies capped declines. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, sold shares worth net 3535.43 crore and domestic institutional investors bought shares worth net 5103.67 crore on 26 June 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.22% के लॉस के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, इंडिकेटिंग अ नेगेटिव स्टार्ट. सेंसेक्स वाज अप बाय 0.80% and closed at 78674. बैंक निफ्टी closed at 52870 with a gain of 0.50%. Nifty closed at 23868 with a gain of 0.62%. Nifty future also closed at 23867 with a gain of 0.55%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was up by 0.04% and Nasdaq Composite was up by 0.49%. Sector specific updates देखें तो auto and IT are the sectors which are likely to outperform and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे energy and FMCG. Let's talk about the macro news now. The total value of retail sales in Japan was up 3% on year in May, the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry said on Thursday, coming in at 13.504 trillion yen. That exceeded expectations for an increase of 2%, which would have been unchanged from the April reading following a downward revision from 2.4%. On a monthly basis, retail sales jumped a seasonally adjusted 1.7% after rising 0.8% in the previous month. तो ये थे आज के अपडेट्स फ्रॉम एसएमसी ग्लोबल. ऑल द सोर्सेज हैव बीन लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ न्यू अपडेट्स के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एसएमसी ग्लोबल्स यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर मोर सच अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.